This tutorial is about adding text to the stage using Google Web Fonts, morphing text, and applying text effects. To add regular text, I click on the A icon, pick from the TrueType fonts which are installed on the desktop, and I'm going to go with Lato, which is a Google Web font which I've downloaded previously from fonts.google.com. I'm going to tell the software that it is a Google Web font because it handles it differently than non-Google Web fonts. And I'm going to confirm that it is in the Lato web font family, and this is the font code. I'll explain what font code is later. Let's just make it a little bit more interesting. I'll pick italic, which makes me do this over again. I'll play it as a Google Web font. And this is the code which downloads the font. And in fact, this is that font code I was talking about earlier, right there. And if we play it as a desktop font and look at the view, at the source, there's no line that pulls it off, that pulls it from Google. Let's do a simple morphing example. In this keyframe, I'm going to move the hello over here using shift arrow, change the color and transparency. And playing it. No surprises, and it's very, very simple. Very, very simple example. There are many possibilities you can do. Start over again. Let's look at some effects. These are simple CSS effects at the word level. Light speed in, one of my favorites. We can also do it at the character level. A motion script effect, which is using an engine we developed. It's written in JavaScript. Mosaic duets. You can also do it through over here. You can do it. You don't have to do it up here. You can do it over here. And let's look at a 3D effect. Tons of possibilities for customization. And I want to start over again and look at how to use dynamic text. So I click on the A and then I hold it for a second, which gives me the submenu. I pick Add Dynamic Text. And this gives me a text box, which I can type into. Or you can apply the text ahead of time. And that's all.